Good afternoon, Piyush sir. So we would like to ask you a question. Since you have been recruiting IBS students since a very long time, what is your experience with our students?
Thank you, Simran, and good afternoon. I've been visiting IB for many years now. I represent Evalueserve, and this year we've hired close to 50 students across all the branches. What we like about IB students is the kind of energy and commitment they bring to work. Across all kinds of businesses, we have seen their commitment, their rigor, their inquisitiveness, their participation across all projects is quite phenomenal. And that's why you see Evalueserve coming every year.
So the other question that I would like to ask you, what is that one message that you would like to pass to the current batch?
Okay, wonderful. Uh, if you look at the last 10 years, the expectations from all the students have continuously changed. It is not just the academics we look for. We look for the ability in the students to unlearn what they already know. There is a continuous change in the technology, and with the technology interface, the expectation from the job they will do is also changing. So every 3 to 4 years, we see a revolution or new technology or new process coming in. We are expecting students to be able to adapt and to stay relevant. They should be able to keep evolving their skills, keep reskilling and upskilling themselves, something that we do extensively at our organization in Pakistan.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable inputs. So